Look at this beautiful kurti. Look at the sizes, look at the design in which you will get beautiful big size neck work with original mirror, and look at the concept. Inside you will get this kind of lining also. You will get COD facility and transport and courier both facility are available. And also my friends, our for the customer who are viewers and want to see our videos on Telugu, then our Telugu channel has also launched. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So one more time, DK Textile has relaunched a very famous variety. Look at this variety. What kind of variety is this? So this is Vatican silk A-line pairs variety, and look at the some design. This is just the sample. We have more than 50 plus designs are available on this same variety. I will show you one open variety. What kind of variety is this? Look at this beautiful kurti. Look at the sizes, look at the design in which you will get beautiful big size neck work with original mirror, and look at the concept. Inside you will get this kind of lining also. So this is a guaranteed fabric. This kind of fabric you will easily sell in your counter. If you want to sell online, then this kind of variety will be the top selling variety in Meesho, Flipkart and every online e-commerce sites. And look at the sleeve length. This is original sleeve length, and look at the kurti length. This is original 44 length kurti, and 4 sizes are available on this. In the bottom you will get this kind of pant. Look at the beautiful plazo in the bottom of that, and look at the combination. It look beautiful. If you want catalog of this variety, then you can connect with our salesman. He will guide you regarding all this variety. Not only this, we have variety starting from rupees 90 only. If you want that, then connect with our salesman and get catalog photos and videos also. And I will show you one more variety. Look at the beautiful design, look at the beautiful color. And if I talk about the fabric, then this is Vatican silk fabric, original fabric. And if you tell if I tell, then this is the guaranteed fabric, because there is no any chance of color fade or a shrinkage problem. I can put in water and hold it for 3 days, then not a single drop of color will fade in this variety. And look at the mirror design, how beautiful it looks. In this there are rectangle mirrors, circle mirrors with overall handwork on the mirror also. There is no chance of any mirror will not be damaged if any kind of activity you will do. And look at this one more beautiful design. In the bottom you will get the same kind of plazo. And if I tell about the design, then look, we have a simple mirror designs also, in which you will get multi mirror. You will get this kind of flower design, in which you will get multi-layer mirror work design. So we have lots of work in this, and the colors are also, you can see in my behind all the, this is the same variety color which I have showing you here. So you also want to purchase this kind of variety in wholesale and bulk for your shop or boutique, then connect with DK Textile. Our shop is located on the Surat. You will visit compulsory. So if you want to visit, then we will send you location. Our salesman will guide you. Our shop is located only 1 kilometer from the Surat railway station. And look at the beautiful designs and the pattern. All these pattern are top trending right now. Look at this beautiful 3 flower pattern. In every flower you will get this kind of mirror work. And I will show you in the bottom. Like, look at this, how beautiful it look. The overall look of this variety is superb, because this type of variety is designed by us. So in this you will get this kind of bead work. If you zoom, then you can see there is a bead work in this. There is also mirror, and there is bead work in the border also. There is embroidery, and in the neck you will get this kind of mirror work. So you want to purchase this kind of variety, then be joined with our salesman and get the benefit of this kind of many more varieties. And COD facilities available. And for the viewers who are watching from outside of India, you will get worldwide delivery, and you can take your purchase from home also. And you will get COD facility and transport and courier both facility are available. And also my friends, our for the customer who are viewers and want to see our videos on Telugu, then our Telugu channel has also launched. You can communicate with us in Telugu also, so you can view our Telugu channel. Link is in the description, and see the videos in your own native Telugu language. And look at one more beautiful design, how beautiful it look. And this kind of many more patterns are available. This is just one single variety. If you want more variety in this pattern, then our salesman will guide you on that. So connect with DK Textile and get regular update on this kind of varieties. And don't forget to subscribe, so you will get videos on this kind of many more varieties.